Financial modeling course. What is financial modeling course? Financial modeling course is a core skill for financial analysis that anyone handling an organization, from an entrepreneur to equity expert or a financial investment lender, should have. Excel to anticipate a service's monetary performance into the future. The forecast is generally based on the firm's historic efficiency, presumptions regarding the future, as well as needs, preparing a revenue declaration, annual report, capital declaration, as well as supporting schedules referred to as a 3-declaration version. There are various kinds of specialists that construct monetary models. One of the most common kinds of career tracks is financial investment banking, equity study, business advancement, FP&A, and accounting, due diligence, transaction advisory, evaluations, etc. Financial modeling is an iterative process. You need to try various sections until you're lastly able to connect it all with each other. About financial modeling certification. Development financial modeling certification gives you the skills and also self-confidence you required to take your career to the next level. By having expertise in developing a financial modeling qualification, you will certainly open on your own up to a wide range of job choices in investment financial, equity research, fixed revenue research study, credit rating score as well as threat management. The goals of this development financial modeling accreditation are to boost participants' economic preparation abilities and Excel modeling skills so that they end up being more efficient managers. Significance of financial modeling in 2020. Financial modeling acts as an important device that allows service ideas as well as dangers to be approximated in a cost-efficient means. Financial modeling is an action of producing appealing representations of a monetary scenario of a firm. Financial modeling is the procedure of creating a summary of a business's expenditures as well as revenues in the form of a spreadsheet that can be utilized to calculate the impact of a future event or choice. An economic version has lots of uses for company execs. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for a financial modeling certification course in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best financial modeling exam preparation course. This certification training offered by Zabeel Institute stands out from other training in the market. Financial modeling exam result and pass percentage in Zabeel Institute is very high, which is increasing day by day under the constant support and guidance from the instructor. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for the financial modeling course every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. For further information, please contact phone 00971 4 397 4905. WhatsApp 009715052585001. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/